Success Tales welcome you all to another yet exciting episode of Real People, Real Stories. Today, we have with us Ms. Neelam Sharma, Director of Venture Private Limited. She will be launching her app Map My Bay soon. And Hiral Desai, co-founder of Map My Bay. Welcome Neelam ji and Hiral to Success Tales.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for sparing your time from your busy schedule and sharing inspirational story among us.
Thank you, Ashima. Thanks for inviting us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ms. Neelam Sharma is a postgraduate in political science and she started her own venture at the age of 58 years. She says there is no age to start anything. Welcome, Ms. Neelam, to Success Tales.
Thank you.
And please tell our audience that what motivated you to create this platform, Map My Bay.
Well, Ashima, everybody deserves a second chance in life. फिर वो चाहे सेकंड मैरिज ही क्यों ना हो. इंडिया में अभी रिसेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा डिवोर्स के केसेस बढ़े हैं और इसके कई सारे फैक्टर्स हैं. Because parents are supporting their daughters and girls excelling in studies. They are doing well in career. They are getting very good jobs. Women are getting empowered. If the couples are facing any marital discords, they are getting separated mutually. And second thing is due to pandemic, lots of people lost their companions across all section of age. So now we can see rise in number of single parents in the country as well. To address these issues, we wanted to build a safe and secure platform for them, where they can network and find good suitable companion for themselves. This app is created by the women's and is made in India.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, who is your target audience?
Single parent, widows, and divorced. Especially, of course, never married community can also utilize this platform.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, when will this app be launched in Play Store?
We are planning to launch the beta version of the app will be uploaded on Play Store soon.
Okay, ma'am. Before leaving, would you like to share a message with our viewers?
Yes, my message for the current generation is complete and finish your education. If you have any problem, please discuss with your parents. Don't be a victim of depression. Don't run away from the problems. Face the challenges and keep moving ahead. That's
Okay,
my
ma'am.
message.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ashima.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for being with us and sharing your inspirational story.
Thanks, Ashima. Best wishes, your team, and you are doing good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.